Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Heart of a Teacher 242. I teach second grade here in the Bahamas and I am so happy that you have joined me. If you like tutorials and tricks and tips for teachers and all of that, keep watching. Today I'm going to be showing you a little thing I like to do when I am making up my PowerPoint presentations or any type teaching slide. Okay, so I've been working on ordinal numbers for my grade 2 team that I am on for our virtual school because we will be teaching virtually, and so I'm part of the team that makes up the videos for grade 2 math. And so I've been working on the ordinal numbers today, right? So I want to show you, I like to put movement in my presentations, just not to have it too boring. So I'll animate certain aspects of the slide to just give it a little oomph. So what I want to point out here is this particular thing, the yellow circle. I put movement in that where I took it from where it was and I specifically placed it on the correct object. And I'm going to show you how I did that. So let's see if I can get off this. Let's see. Okay. Trying to get off, but my mouse doesn't want me to get off. All right, good. All right, so this is pretty simple. What you do, you go to, once you have your circle, right? Okay, so you have your circle, and over here are the animations. Make sure you click on animations. First of all, I should tell you that first so you don't be too lost. Click on animations, and then you search your animations area and until you go to the end and go on custom path. When you click on custom path, it will be able to let you take a certain object and move it along a certain path. So I did that. I came here and clicked. Then once I clicked it, a line appeared and I was able to draw the line straight over here to the cat. Okay, let me see if I could just quickly show you an example because, you know, I'd be trying not to make these too long. So let's demonstrate. Let's see. So this is a circle here, right? And I'm going to animate that circle. Go on custom path. Take the line. It'll have like a cross now, right? Click on it, and then let's say I want to go on the crab. I'll drag to the crab, right? And then I'll do my little thing. And then now, when it shows as a slideshow, you'll see that the blue circle goes over the crab. Let's see. Yeah, so this is just a little short tutorial to give your presentation more oomph. That's a word, right? Oomph. So I might be putting up content / teaching slides on my Teachers Pay Teacher store. I'm not sure, but if you are interested in getting access to this resource, comment down below. Okay, bye everyone. Remember, spread love and not hate. See you in the next video.